Guys, welcome back to ReConvert. This is Eric, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a header to your thank you page. We're going to talk about why you should do that and how exactly you can do that doing ReConvert. If you're still not familiar with ReConvert, it's an app that lets you customize your thank you page. It's multiple stuff, including upsells and lots of other cool stuff. Alright, so in order to add a header to your thank you page, you're going to need to go inside the app and click the customize button next to your active template. Great. So now that we are inside the page builder, what we have to do is just go to the sections area, and here we have the right area, the left area, and the header. So we're just going to click inside the header, and by default we have no header in the thank you page because this is just the way it's like in the Shopify checkout. Now if you want to enable the header, all you have to do is click here, this checkbox, and now you have a header. It's very basic. You can decide on one of two options. First of all, let's make the background white. I think it's going to look better. You can either have it full width or you can have it only on the left area. That's how it's going to look like. And then you can play with the background color as I just showed you before that. The next thing we need to do is to select the logo. Let's choose this one. All right, perfect. And you can also enter a text in here, and this text is just going to appear in case the logo having issues to load. So this is something we can do. We can play with the alt text here and play with the color, and again it's only going to appear if the logo won't load. So here I'm just going to keep it at still yellow because that's the name of the store. Now the next thing we need to do is we can decide if we want to add any links to the header, and all we need to do, we can play with the styling of it. All we need to do is just click add a link, and then we can call this link, let's say, home, and let's take this link to just the home page. I can't remember the URL for this store, so let's just take this one to the home page. And now I'm gonna have the link here. Obviously, you can just let's just keep it simple, and you can play with the text transform if you want. You can make it uppercase, lowercase, whatever you want. It's pretty simple. Let's just keep it capitalized, and let's make it bolder. Let's make the size of it a little bit bigger. Let's do 18 pixel, and let's change the color to green-ish color. All right. Perfect. Now let's add another link, and let's send them to, let's say we want to send them to the Air Bonsai collection. So let's copy this link. Great. And now we can edit here, and let's do Air Bonsai. Great. Now you can change and delete these links using the delete button, and you can add as many links as you like. Now on mobile, it's going to look something like that. Okay, and this is it basically. That's all you have to do in order to play with your header. I'm going to show you how it looks like with a full width. It's going to look something like that. All right, I think it looks better this way. All right, so let's hit save. And now if I want to go to my header section, all I have to do is go to one of my orders inside the Shopify dashboard, click on more actions, and click view order status page. And now that it loads, I have two links here, one to the home page and one to the Air Bonsai page. Let's just click here and see how it goes. Perfect. Now, basically, the reason you want to add a header and links to your thank you page is it's just going to make it easier for customers to go back to the store, especially if they're coming back to check on their order status. All the big retailers out there, Amazon, eBay, AliExpress, all of them keeps the links at the top, even on the thank you page. For some reason on Shopify it's not like that, so we just wanted to add this option. Anyways, that's it for that video. I'll see you on the next one.